Want to know how to download source code files or the main files while creating a website in Kimi AI? So you can easily create a website in Kimi AI, but you can also download their source codes and their source files for more easiness and modification. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it in just another minute. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your new chat and then just simply ask to make it a website. So you can just simply see on the left side website, you can just simply select that and ask a prompt. And once that is done, it should look something like this right here. So now this is your preview mode, and once everything is done, it should look something like this and tasks will be completed. So right beside preview, you should be seeing all files. Just simply select all files, and here you should be seeing apps. So you can just simply download individually or just simply click download all files right here directly, and it should start up. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. So this is how you easily download all files of the website or the core files or source files. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you on the next one.